My pranams to all Atmajyotis, divine light of the self. I welcome all of you for today's inauguration session of coding skills for children. In today's world, programming, software development, artificial intelligence, all of these are very essential skills which are to be learned at a younger age. We started our artificial intelligence program for children 2 years back. A large number of children have joined the tech club to study artificial intelligence under the guidance of Dhawalji. Many of them have become very good experts in artificial intelligence, and they competed Microsoft World Cup in artificial intelligence. We have today Atmajyoti Neetha ji, who is a software expert, who has been teaching coding skills, soft coding skills for young children from the age of 7 to 12. She is going to teach iLeaders JavaScripting. JavaScript is one of the beautiful programming languages. So the lessons will be for over a period of 6 months' time. In that, she'll cover the basic JavaScripts for 3 months, then application programming and game development for next 3 months. So those children who participate in this program will get a certificate of JavaScript developer and then application and game developer in some time at the end of 6 months. So what happens is this Java language programming plus our artificial intelligence programming classes can help you to become a beautiful, wonderful programmers. I welcome Neetha ji. I welcome Ashwini to share some of the views of the program, some of the work which we are doing in iLead program. We have a lot of activities going on for iLeader program. iLeaders is our children's program. We have a variety of activities to encourage all-round development of children, including spirituality and culture. So I request Ashwini to take over and describe the iLeader activities, and then we'll request Neetha ji to talk about the programming skills.
Hari Om everyone, welcome. I will first play a video about iLead program. We have a lot of programs for children, so I'll just play a video now. So, as you have all seen, we have around 20 different circles for iLead. We have right from coding and debate, all different types of circles for all-round development of children. So, this is, I'll just show the different circles here. Yeah. So, these are the different circles by iLead. We have Gita Jyoti for Gita classes, Katha Jyoti, stories, Vak Jyoti for public speaking, Natya Jyoti, and many other circles. So we have the iLead is for right for children from 4 to 18 years. So for 4 to 6, we are called Vamanas, and then 7 to 13 are called Vivekananda, Balakrishnas, and 13 onwards are called Vivekanandas. So children can participate in different activities and as part of iLead program. All the classes are conducted free of charge and as a seva by all the Atmajyotis. So if you want to join any of these circles, please feel free to contact me. Thank you. Now over to Neetha ji to talk about the coding circle, tech circle.
My pronouns to Narasimha Chaudhary, and thank you, Ashwini ji, for a wonderful introduction for our iLead cultural programs, which is going on. And my name is Neetha. I'll be continuing on the coding languages further on. So by today end, you'll be getting an idea of what is coding and why do we need it. What is the importance of our coding languages in our environment today, which we are going on society. Okay. So if everyone can turn on your video, so it would be very nice to see kids sitting in front of us. Very nice. Thank you. Very beautiful faces. I see a smiley faces with everyone. That's it. Today, what we are seeing is as such coding. Coding is nothing but a language which you can prefer to. Like we speak, right? Communication, which we speak, regional languages, English language, anything. So coding is a language which you speak to the computer. A simple thing, right? So further on, we will see how easy is the coding to move on and communicate with our computer and make computer work for us. Okay. So I'll present my screen with a small presentation, and then we can go on with the understanding of it. Yes, you can even sit and enjoy your coding at any point of time and make the system understand what you're saying. And it's a fun and time pass games. You can create games and applications, and it's very interesting and enjoying part. So let's start coding. Okay, and you can have fun. There are different languages where you can learn coding, but we'll be going on through the JavaScript language, which is very easy to understand and make computer also work for us faster. And this is, as you know, there are more of AIs and chatbots and robots everywhere around for us, and which helps for us. There's a small video on what is coding.
So Neetha, is there audio behind this?
Yes, Prabhuji, there is audio playing. Is the voice is not coming out?
The sound is not coming because I think when you are sharing, you have to enable this share sound.
Okay, okay. Yes, Prabhuji. I'll just share it again once.
you can do all sorts of things.
Is it audible now, Prabhuji?
Play
yes, Neetha ji.
games, do
Okay.
homework, or talk to friends. All these things are done using computer programs. But what are programs made from? Computer programs are made out of their own special language called code.
Please what, Mr. Mouse?
A computer can't think for itself, and you can't talk to it like a person. It needs computer programs so it knows what to do.
Step 100. Backwards.
Code is made out of words and numbers. Sometimes it is made from words you already know. You can learn how
It's frozen video. Neetha? Actually, the video is not moving.
Yes, Guruji. Neetha ji?
Neetha, sorry, internet is a problem.
Guruji, she has got dropped off. So children, have you taken up all the iLead lessons? Have you been able to do it?
No, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, if you have any problem, you should tell me. Okay, if you're able to log in, if you're are you able to take the lessons? See, these iLead lessons are very important. Okay, they're part of this program. So, like I showed you that time, no, all the it's the main core of all the circles. So, all as part of any circle, you should take up the iLead lessons. Each lesson is only one 10-minute video. Okay, and there'll be a quiz as part of it. So the quiz I have been sending it to all of you. So you take up the 10 minutes videos, and after that you can take up the quiz. Okay, so if you want, I can just show you. Just give me 2 minutes.
Ashwini, are you on mute?
Yes, Guruji, I'll just go back and explain. Yeah, so children, I have sent one message here. No, this is about how to, here instructions are there, how to join the iLead program. Okay, how to join the course and our website, how to log in. So go through that. After that, you can go to this. Okay, this is our iLead value-based leadership. It's called module 1. So here, as part of this, you will have so many different lessons. So as part of your holidays now, so maybe you can take up 2 lessons per week. Okay, so first let me just take one lesson. First you have to log in here. Okay, So after you log in, you will be able to see the lesson and see there's a video here by Prabhuji here. You listen to the video and after this, you'll have a quiz here. Okay, currently I've been sending the quiz on WhatsApp group. So every day, every week, you can take up 2 lessons and you can take up the quiz which has been done in WhatsApp. Okay, so madam will be checking with you. So you have to, as part of the coding classes, you will be learning, coding will be live classes every Saturdays and Sundays. And these lessons are offline. You can take it whenever you want. Whenever you are free, you can take up these lessons. Okay, very short videos, 10-minute videos and 1 quiz. Okay, so will you take it up? All will take it up?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh? I've seen already Vaishnavi and others have been taking up the classes. And some of the, yes, Janya also ready to take it up. And some of them have already completed it. Yes, Ninad. Kirtana and Satvik, all of them have already completed these lessons. So those who have yet to start, please start taking these classes. Any doubt you have, you can ask me. Okay. Okay, children? Yes. Guruji, I'll just check with Neetha ji if she's able to join.
I talked to her. She said she's joining.
Okay, Guruji. So meanwhile, children, any doubts regarding the iLead modules, you can ask me, or the circles. I will just show the list of circles again. Here it was there, no? So if you want to join, what are these circles? There is lots of competitions as part of these circles. Okay, so sorry, 1 second. Anita ji is calling, 1 second. Neetha ji is joining in a couple of minutes. So Neetha ji will be joining in a couple of minutes. Meanwhile, yeah, so there are a lot of different, I will just share the screen again. Yeah, so yeah, these are all the different circles that are there. You have, some of them are live classes. Okay, like for example, dance, Bhagavad Gita, bhajans. So there are live classes. And some of them are offline classes, which you can attend at your convenience. So for example, stories. It's both live and offline. If you want, you can listen to the stories whenever you want. Every Friday, there we are posting a story. So you can listen to that. Or even Saturdays and all offline stories are there. Or you want to attend the live classes, it's there every Friday. So some of them you can, I will tell you all of these circles, whichever you have doubt, maybe you can ask. And there are a lot of different competitions for you. So for example, tomorrow there is quiz. Okay, so as part of quiz, you can get prizes. And there are also Vedic mathematics. There is a Ramanujam Cup, which is coming up. So in December, there is a grand prize winner will get a Ramanujam Cup. So to do that, first you have to go through the lessons, and there are different competitions, quiz and all, which you can participate in. And in December, you can get the you can win the Ramanujam Cup. So different, also during festivals, there are different competitions, different events which you can participate in. So yesterday, for example, there was Ram Navami, there was different, Harikatha. As Ramayana Saptah, we have done different Harikatha, bhajans. So you can participate in all these programs. So whichever circle you're interested in, you can join it and you can participate in all the different competitions. Okay, so these are the different ones. There is Gita, Katha Jyoti, which is story circle, Vak Jyoti, which is public speaking, Natya Jyoti is dance, bhajans, Vedic maths, chess, the tech circle, which you have all joined now, and then entrepreneur circle, and then meditation circle, Sanskrit circle, art circle, quiz, Veda, then yeah, Then there is Young Scientist Circle. Now, as part of Young Scientist also, every month you have an experiment which you can perform. So ma'am will tell you what materials you can bring, some household items. And during that time, you can all sit together and whatever madam will be teaching how to do that. For example, we had toy elevator last week. So once a month you have and you had dancing Santa and you had periscope. So different things which you can make at home. Okay, so you can do that. And there is debate circle, actor circle, writer circle, animal lover circle. So all these different types of circles are there. Okay. So which one would you all like to join? Which circle do you like? Kirtana is heading Vakjyoti circle.
Like everything.
Yes. Everything. Very good. Who is this?
Ma'am, Laukeshri.
Lokeshri. You're already part of some circles, no?
Yes,
Which
ma'am.
are the circles you're part of?
Now recently this one circle we have joined, and previously on some dramas, ma'am.
Yes.
Drama she have joined.
Sanskrit circle also, I think,
Yes,
no?
ma'am, yes,
Sanskrit
ma'am.
circle. You're
Yeah.
part of Sanskrit circle, yes.
Hmm.
And others, Chirant Mahant are part of Young Scientist Circle. They're doing different experiments there. Other children, which one would you like to join?
Ma'am,
Yes, who's speaking? Yeah, children, put on your videos. No, I'm not able to see your faces.
ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, if we join the young scientist circle, we have to do some scientist works.
You'll get to do. You'll get to do a lot of things. Is Chirant or Mahant here or Rajita ji? You can maybe tell about it. Yeah, you can do it. You can do periscope. You can see different things. You can about the floating, about different things. Ma'am will be teaching you, and it is nice fun also. All small things which you can do. No, Chirant Mahant, you want to tell about it, or Rajita ma'am is there who can tell about what is done as part of it? Yeah, yes, ma'am. Rajita ji from Young Scientist will tell about it.
So in the Namaste everyone. I think most of the kids are part of Young Scientist group also. So like Pramok, I can see few faces. Pramok is here. Hi,
Yes,
Pramok.
Hari Om.
Yeah, Hari Om, Hari Om. So we will be every month, first Sunday of every month, we'll be conducting classes, and children will be performing one toy model with whatever materials available at home. Okay, 1 week before I'll be circulating the materials required for the experiment. So next month we'll be doing first Sunday. I hope first Sunday next month we'll be doing the spiral snake using very simple materials available at home. It will be very interesting. I think Pramok can explain his favorite toy models. What are your favorite toy models till now, Pramok?
Ma'am, periscope and the elevator. The toy elevator, which we did like last week
Time is
on Sunday.
ultimately it's more of a
Pramok
Okay,
has more than 15 to 20 models, I think, no, Pramok?
Yes, ma'am. It's like in a box, just mixed, like in my cupboard right now.
Yeah. Sure. Let
So-
other kids also enjoy. Okay, Neetha ji has joined.
Neetha ji has joined. So yeah, thank you, Rajita ji. You can, everyone who's interested in Young Scientists can join that WhatsApp group. Okay. Now over to Neetha ji.
Thank you for everyone. Sorry for the internet disturbance which happened. Okay, so I was going on to say about the coding language. So coding language is nothing but a language where you can speak to the computer or make a computer. You can see a chatbot where you say the chatbot, can you reply this? What is this? You ask some queries related to it. so that the queries, everything will be answered even by a chatbot without the interference of a human. So those kind of things, and the games which you play up in your mobile, right? Angry Bird game or an hockey ball game, all those things can be created by using our JavaScript code. Very easiest thing is a block language. So we start the coding with a block language where you have to just drag and drop the codings with the understanding of how it runs with the instructions given up, and then we go on with the text-based codings. We use different platforms for using all these things, and then we learn with APIs and with the applications. So yes, if I was not able to present my screen because of network issue, so I'll be doing up later. I'll be sharing the videos in the WhatsApp group, so that if you you can check up with the videos which are there, and if you have doubt, you can get back to me on that. Where we'll be having 2 parts of it, which is a 6 months course, which, as Prabhuji said, starting we'll be seeing with the text block-based coding, to give the introduction of the platform as well as to understand what is the system and how we can communicate step by step. Then once the students are aware of it and go on through it, then we will continue with the text base. So please, everyone should have a laptop, so it will be easy for us to continue with the coding. With the mobile, to use the applications or the platforms, it would be very tough for them. So it is restricted also in the mobile. So please have a laptop for the coming classes. Then we can start with the class by the next thing. So any parents or students is having any doubts regarding what is coding and what do we learn from it, anything related to it, anyone can ask up the questions to me.
Ma'am?
Yes, please. Who is this?
Ma'am, Janya.
Janya. Hi, Janya.
Hi, ma'am.
Yes, Janya. Please tell me.
Ma'am, I couldn't understand what we have to do in coding.
Okay, coding is nothing but a language, Janya. So like, say for example, you play games in your mobile, your parents' mobile and everything.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, so it will be so interesting for us to play a game. Just imagine you are creating a game and sending to your friends. So it will be so happy for you to do that, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So same thing, applications like WhatsApp or Facebook, everything are your applications. So some basic applications also you'll be able to create, and you'll be able to create games also, which will be interesting and easy for us. So you can show to your friends.
If you want to create a game, which game you'll create?
We will.
Sir,
Yes.
any game, sir.
You like Angry Bird?
Do you want to play a game which is created, or you want to create a game and play?
I want to create a game and play.
That's what Neetha ji is teaching, right? And what is coding, and what language do you speak?
Kannada.
Kannada, right? So with whom you speak?
With my mother and dad.
Okay. Neetha ji will tell you how to speak to the computer, language of talking to the computer.
Right, Prabhuji.
Okay.
So, Janya, say for example, you want to communicate in your school. Can you use Kannada in your school?
No, I have
Why?
to use English.
Why is it only English? Why not any other languages in the school?
Because in the school, teachers will talk in English.
Okay, say with your friends then. With your different friends.
I talk with Kannada.
Yeah, if say your friends, some of your friends don't understand Kannada, then
I'm talking in English.
Yeah, right. Very good. Smart. So if they don't understand one language, you try with the other language where they can understand. So you can communicate. Same thing, since the system or the computer, whatever it is, it doesn't understand English. It has its own language. So when we speak in computer language, it's called coding.
Okay.
Okay. So if you want to create something, you should tell computer, right? I want this and all. So you have to tell it in computer language. Okay. That's super. So anyone else is having a doubts on this?
No doubt, ma'am.
No doubt, Prashant. That's cute. What's your name?
My name is Laukeshri.
Laukeshri. Wow, that's really good. And wanted to ask how many people took iLead videos about it, about Prabhuji's speech and everything, and took and quizzes. How many people have attended the quizzes?
Ma'am, I took, ma'am.
Very good. Yes, Anaga said yes. Okay, Ninad, Pramuk, and Vaishnavi. Very good. Janya also took. And Pavitra. Very good. Very nice. That's superb.
Ma'am,
So,
I didn't took.
was it?
Ma'am, I didn't
Janya,
took.
Janya didn't take. Okay, you raised your hand then.
No.
By mistake. Okay, fine. That's great. So next class, we will be starting with the sequence. First class. Okay. So I want everyone to join with a laptop and we'll have introduction and go on with the first topic. And there is an platform. So I'll be posting a link in the WhatsApp group with the platform name called Code ORG. Okay. So please try to log into that platform, have a username and password. If you don't have it, I will share it to you in the next class by tomorrow, how to log in also. But please have one Gmail ID and a password for yourself, which you can continue for all of your rest of your classes of your coding. Okay, I'll be sharing a link in the WhatsApp group where is a platform. You will have to create a login credentials. Okay. Yes, please. Anyone is having doubts? I see still the hands have been raised.
Neetha ji, I have a doubt. That mail
Yes.
ID, what we create, is it, if it's for children, I think there are some restrictions, right? If it's an age group below some age. So should they create one like that, or will that work?
Ma'am, actually, this in Code ORG, it's for kids, but it's preferably with parents ID, because if it is less than 12 years, some of the codings will be restricted. They'll not be able to attend it. So preferably with the parents' email ID and password.
Thank
Or
you.
otherwise, or otherwise, if you are creating with the children's email ID and password, please make sure you give the age above 20 plus or 18 plus. Anyone else is having a doubt with what is coding and yes, please.
We have the class every day.
No, Janya, it is on Saturday, Sunday from 11 to 12.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes, Manan. Yes, Manan. Janya, just
similar to other languages.
What, Manan? I didn't get the question.
Ma'am, is JavaScript similar to other languages?
Yes, very similar, but the basic thing, say for example, in your English, if you learn A to Z, the same thing you would learn with different languages, but the use of it is same. Say in Kannada language, A to aha you write, right? So the use of it is same, but how you implement is different. That's it. There are many languages, but implementation, the basic thing, it's the same for all the languages.
Excuse me,
Okay,
I
ma'am.
have a doubt.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, please. Who is this?
Ma'am, Chirant.
Chirant. Yes, Chirant.
Ma'am, 12 years, ma'am, can I create an email ID, ma'am?
Yes, Chirant, you can create a Gmail ID, but while you create it, make sure your age, where there'll be an option to change your age. So please make sure you put it 18 plus age.
Okay.
Yes. Janya, yes, Janya, tell me.
Ma'am, Saturdays I have to go to school, ma'am.
But now it is summer holidays, right?
Yeah, ma'am, but
We will
afterwards,
change it.
my mom is telling that.
Okay, till the summer holidays is going on, we'll have it till from 11 to 12. Later on, once the school starts, we will adjust the timings accordingly.
Ma'am, yes. Ma'am, because I will come to home in 12 only, ma'am, so that.
So no problem. Once the school starts, we'll make the arrangements of the class timings changes.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, tomorrow I have to bring laptop.
Yes, please. Everyone joining tomorrow will have to join with the laptop.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Any more doubts?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Some of them have raised your hands. Ninad and still Janya is okay. Ninad, do you have any doubt?
Ma'am, is it compulsory to create an email ID for children?
No, ma'am. If it is not compulsory for the children, at least if they can have the parents' email ID is also fine.
Okay.
Yes.
My son is 7 years old.
Yes,
Can
ma'am.
he join for this?
Yes, surely. 7 years. It is from 7 to 13 years. He can surely join.
Okay.
And for the small kids, like from 7 to 9 years, preferably, please have parents beside you. So if you have doubts, they can clarify. That's the reason. For the starting some of the classes, maybe at least around 3 to 4
Yes, they
classes.
know only the basics of computer knowledge.
Yes.
Now they are learning.
Okay.
Is
No
it
problem,
possible?
ma'am.
Okay.
No problem. They can understand it. It is easy for everyone. It is understandable by every student. But please make sure at least for 3 to 4 classes, if parents is just beside them, to have the adjustment with the system, it will be easy for them. That's the reason.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, Rani.
Ma'am, is the app for coding?
There is no application. There are different platforms for coding.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, please.
All the classes will be recording or it won't be recorded, ma'am?
It will be recorded, ma'am. All the classes will be recorded and will be posted onto the YouTube.
Okay, YouTube. And you won't send it in WhatsApp, ma'am?
Ma'am, in the starting classes, since it will be tough only with the recording section, it will be tough for the kids to understand. So some of the starting classes will be a live classes. Until I make sure the kids are easy and understandable, then I would go for the recorded sessions.
Recording classes. Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, ma'am. And one more thing, kids, after each class, you'll be having projects which you will have to complete it and submit it within 2 to 3 days of the class, so that I can understand, yes, you have understood the class with a very nice idea about it. Okay. I'll tell you with the details what is the project and how to work on and everything. I'll tell you in the next class. Once I explain tomorrow's class, then I'll explain the project details. Okay, how to submit it, how to do it, everything I'll explain it tomorrow. But you should make sure you understand and complete the projects.
Excuse me, ma'am. What is tomorrow's timings?
Tomorrow is also from 11 to 12.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Yes, please. Anyone else having doubts?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, please.
Ma'am, can we use iPads for coding, ma'am?
Yes, iPads is allowed. You can use iPads. It will work.
Okay.
Yes, Neetha, still your hand is raised. Yes, please. Who is asking, having a question?
Can we use MacBook? Any laptop?
Yes. MacBook or an normal laptop, Windows laptop also we can have. Okay. So any more doubts?
No, ma'am.
Okay, sure. Then I'll be looking forward for everyone for tomorrow's class. Don't miss it up, because first class, everything will be introduction to it and having a basic idea of how to start and what is the use of this also. Okay, so please be there by 11 o'clock. The links and everything will be shared in the WhatsApp, and today's video, which I was unable to present it, also will be posted in the WhatsApp group. You can watch it. Okay, and code org, which I mentioned to have a login credentials, right? That link also I'll be posting in the WhatsApp group.
Thank you, Neetha.
Prabhuji. Thank you, Prabhuji.
Close with a prayer, children. Asatoma Sadgamaya Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amritam Gamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Lokaha samastaha sukino bhavantu. Lokaha samastaha sukino bhavantu. Lokaha samastaha sukino bhavantu. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Thank you all the parents. Thanks all the children. So enjoy this course, okay? So I want to see many of you become very good in programming language and also good in artificial intelligence and new advanced technologies. Our iLeader should be very good in culture, spirituality, and technology. All the best. Thank you.
Yes,
parents.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Prabhuji.
Thank
for
you,
your
sir.
presence.
Thank you, Prabhuji.